Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you how to use TradingView as a platform to practice Emini trading by following our Brooks and Brad Wolf. First of all, you have to download the TradingView platform, TradingView application, and then go to choosing the instrument by choose ES or Emini S&P 500 futures by CME market, and then you go to the setting and you choose here symbol and you choose regular trading hours, which is US session only. Okay, you could see that normally if you use for free, the data is delayed. It means you have to pay extra fee if you want to trade it in real time. But for practicing, no need to pay for that extra fee to CME market. Okay, and then you choose this icon, the replay here, and you mark at the first bar on the next day, like here. If yesterday is Thursday and you want to trade on Friday, this is the start of the start of the Friday. So come here to the icon, yep, and you put the forward bar by bar right here. Okay, you will see Friday gap, big gap up, and the first bar of Friday is here. So I move my open up day to here, and then I go to here, www.brookstradingcourse.com, and go to the block, and then you choose Friday. This is Brad Wolf's analysis, daily analysis. Before you practicing, you can read Brad's analysis before trading, right here, and then go back to your chart. Then put the forward icon bar by bar, like here, and you choose whatever you want to buy or sell above or below the bar, like here. I will make it fast. Normally I will make my time at any bar to decide what to trade. Okay, this is the last bar here. Again, when you choose to long or short at the high or low of any bar, and you write down on your paper and come back here at Brooks Trading Course and go to the here summary of today's S&P Emini price action. Here the chart was created by our Brooks, and you click here and you see the green is the buy setup of every green bar is reasonable buy in the idea of our Brooks, and the red bar is the short setup, and you check that your setup is is matched with our Brooks. You can check that your setups are whether a batch with our brooks. Okay, generally this is very simple. Okay, and you can do this every day for practicing. Okay, this is short video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.